Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Chris. I'm from BuyDirect Online, and today we'll be assembling the Ergo Rise 2 electric corner frame. Here's the main components you'll find in the box. We've got a full list and detailed instructions on the website, links in the description. Here you see myself measuring the adjustable frame so that it fits the top we selected. We recommend 1500 or 1800mm wide tops with depths of 600 or 750mm respectively, and make sure you allow the desktop to extend about 15cm past the frame. Once you've hooked up the electronics, your Ergo Rise 2 corner frame is ready for use. Thanks for watching.